This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Hey, happy holidays, everybody. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad, your recteq expert, and today we're going to show you a delicious recipe that's fun for the kids as well. Today I want to show you apple spice cupcakes. We're also going to make a delicious pumpkin buttercream to put on top as well. But again, we're burning that classic wood pellet from Kingsford, give us a good smoke flavor and help accentuate these already delicious flavors. This recipe is very simple and a recipe that you can get the kids involved with as well. Make sure you subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel for more amazing content just like this. Let's get started. So I'm going to get a medium-sized mixing bowl and we're going to mix together all of our dry ingredients. We'll take our flour and then we'll add our salt, baking powder, baking soda, our allspice and cloves, cinnamon, all together, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and we will whisk this up. Also going to add a little bit of that Ray's warm apple pie rub available at recteq.com. If you want some amazing seasonings, make sure you go to recteq.com to check out the whole line of recteq rubs and sauces. Put in about a tablespoon in this bad boy. And again, it's going to add some good sweetness. Easy peasy. We'll set this off to the side. We'll get another medium mixing bowl. We'll also get ourselves a hand mixer. Got to turn it on to make sure it works. Of course you do. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to beat our brown sugar and our room temperature butter together until it's super, super smooth and delicious. And you want to start out slow. Oh, about got away from me there. Let's melt it. Just turn it all the way up. All the way up. This Thanksgiving, we're turning it all the way up with Kingsford and recteq. All the way up. Boy, my hand's getting tired. It's getting creamy, Greg. This is how your grandmama used to do it. Go and tell my wife I'm going to be late. Then we're going to crack and beat our eggs in there. 2 eggs. You don't want to beat it too much. You don't want to cook the eggs. Just want to incorporate it. It's good to go. Now we'll add our delicious applesauce. It smells good. Nice natural sweetness from that applesauce. Take our spatula here. And just knock down all of those bits and pieces. Make sure it's well incorporated. And now we will slowly fold in our dry mixture. This is a great dessert for any holiday occasion. Guys, what is your favorite dessert that you like to enjoy during the holiday season? Put it in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear what everybody likes to eat for the holidays. All right, we look good to go here. I'm going to add a little bit more of that Ray's warm apple pie just because I'm a glutton for fun and deliciousness. Okay, we'll take our muffin tin here. This recipe will make about 12. And that looks absolutely amazing. Doesn't that look good? The kids would love to do that. Now, we've got the RT700 preheating outside to 350 degrees. We're burning that classic wood pellet from Kingsford. Give us a good smoke flavor and help accentuate these already delicious flavors. Let's head on out to the porch and get out to the recteq. Come on. All right, now that our muffins are outside cooking in the RT700, we're going to go ahead and make our pumpkin buttercream. This can be a great topping for these cupcakes, as well as any holiday cake as well. We're going to start by beating 2 sticks of room temperature butter for about 2 minutes. Oh yeah. All good recipes start with butter. Now we've got our pumpkin spice and our pumpkin puree. Gonna give us that delicious pumpkin flavor we're looking for. I'm also gonna use some of that Ray's warm apple pie rub just to give it a little bit more delicious flavor. Right, now that we're done with our hand mixer, we're gonna slowly add in our powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, okay? Boy, my forearms are getting a workout this holiday season. More than normal, if you know what I'm saying. All right, look how beautiful this is. Nice and smooth and creamy. Boy, you can go to jail for something that good. All right, now we've got our delicious pumpkin buttercream made. Again, we're going to top our cupcakes with it, but you can top any cupcake or holiday cake this season. Let me go check on those delicious cupcakes. All right, holiday fans, our apple spice cupcakes have cooled. We just put them on this cooling rack here. Now it's time to add our delicious pumpkin buttercream icing that we made from scratch. Again, we cooked these delicious cupcakes in the RT700 using the classic pellet from Kingsford. And again, I'm a crazy person. I love loading these bad boys up with this delicious buttercream. There is no wrong way to put this delicious buttercream on. But make sure you're nice and neat for all of the folks that's coming over to your holiday party. And there you go, guys. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We've got our delicious apple spice cupcakes with pumpkin buttercream. The kids are gonna love this dish. The adults are gonna love this dish. Guys, if you want more content and more recipes like this, please subscribe to recteq and Kingsford's YouTube channel. That way, you can knock your holiday season out of the park. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad, your recteq expert, and we'll see you at the recteq. Look at these cupcakes, everybody. Look how pretty they are.